In this video, I will show you how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on TikTok. Now the actual photo mode is actually obtained by pressing onto the plus button in the bottom middle of the screen. So that's going to take you onto your camera. And you're going to see the different durations for the amount of videos that you can record, for example, 60 seconds and 15 seconds. Now, there should actually be the photo mode option here, so you can go ahead and take photos, just like this, and then paste them. So if you don't actually see that, there's a couple of things you can do to try and fix this problem. The first thing you're going to want to check is that you are using the latest version of TikTok. So to do that, what you're going to want to do is exit out of TikTok. Then go ahead and open up the Play Store or of course the iTunes Store if you're on an iPhone. And from here you want to come to the search box at the top and just go ahead and search for TikTok. So here is TikTok, so you just want to press on this to be taken to the app page, and if there is an update available, the blue button just here will say update. If it says open, then there's no update available because you already have the latest version of TikTok on your device. So once you've gone ahead and checked for updates on TikTok and you're sure you've got the latest version but you're still unable to access photo mode, the next thing you're going to want to do is open up TikTok, come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines just up here. Next, what you want to do is come down and press onto settings and privacy. And from here, you want to scroll up until you get to the support and about section and then press the button to report a problem. Next, what you need to do from this screen is scroll all the way down to the bottom and you're going to see a button there that says chat with us. So just go ahead and press onto that. And it's going to take you across to a live chat help desk. Now, what you can do is just send a message in here. So what I've done is just put a message saying, hi, my photo mode button is missing, please can you help? And then you just want to press the red button here to send that through. Now it's probably going to give you a link like this which says, are these questions what you need help with, how to create a photo mode post. So you want to click onto this link. And what's going to happen, you might get a message back like this, which basically says, hi, if you're unable to create a photo post, this feature may be currently unavailable to you. Stay tuned. So what this basically means is the photo mode is not currently rolled out in every country. It could be a case that your country does not currently have this feature. So what you want to do is just keep an eye on your account. And sometime in the near future, you should be able to use the photo mode. So that is how to fix photo mode missing on TikTok. That being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.